everyone, Lauren here. Today I'm going to share with you a quick morning flow to kind of get you up, get you excited, get you moving. A word of caution, I know sometimes we're a little tight in the morning, things don't always feel great, so feel free to take it easy, bend your knees, modify however you need to make this friendly for you. So that said, let's get started in child's pose. Just take a breath or two to center and start your day. Go ahead, lift up. We're gonna move straight into downward facing dog today. Generous bend to your knees to get started. Taking a few breaths. Maybe you slowly start to straighten your knees. And then go ahead and walk your feet forward between your hands. Keep a generous bend if you'd like. Bend your knees, curl up, and let's get ready to move. Good morning. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold it forward, jumping right in. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, step your right foot back, knee down. Lift up, low lunge, arms raise. Exhale, palms down. Flex your front foot, rock it back, straighten through your hamstring, stretching it out. Inhale. Tuck your back toes, press into your palms, plank pose. Lower your knees, chest and chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale. Lift up and back. Downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot forward. Drop your back knee. Inhale, arms lift. Release, rock it back. Straightening through your front leg, stretch it out. Come back to low lunge, step your left foot forward, forward fold. Inhale, long spine, arms lift. Exhale, hands to heart center. Let's keep it going. Inhale, arms up. Exhale it down. Moving with your breath. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, step it back. Right toes back, low lunge. Lift your arms this time in that lunge. Back knee lifted or down. Exhale. Palms to the mat, straighten through your front thigh. Back heel stays lifted. Bend that front knee, palms down, plank pose. Lower either knees, chest and chin, or chaturanga. Roll your heart open, baby cobra or up dog. Yogi's choice. Press it back, downward facing dog. Inhale and exhale. Step your right foot forward. Back thigh stays lifted. Back heel stays lifted. Inhale, arms up. Lunge. Exhale, palms down. Straighten through your front thigh. Fold them forward. Back heel lifted. Bend your right knee. Left toe, step it forward. Forward fold. Inhale, long spine. All the way up to the sky, hands to heart center. Inhale, chair pose, arms up. Exhale, fold it forward. Lengthen through your spine, moving with your breath. Step your right foot back, spin your heel down, warrior one, arms rise, inhale. Pressing through your heels. Exhale, step it back, plank pose. Move through your vinyasa or hold plank pose. It's a pose in and of itself. Hug your belly in. Exhale, lift it up and back, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg forward, spin the back heel down, lift up, warrior one. Arms rise. Press through your heels. Exhale, Release, step it forward, forward fold. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, hands to heart center. One more round, guys. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, fold it forward. Inhale, lengthen through your heart. Greet the day with your heart. Exhale, fold. Step it back. Spin your heel down, right foot back. Let's go on and lift up, warrior two. Bend deeper through that front thigh. One more breath. Exhale. Spin it down, plank pose, yogi's choice. Maybe you take a vinyasa here. Up dog. And press it back. Downward dog. Breathe it out. Ooh. Inhale. Right foot forward. Back heel down. Open up. Warrior two. Bend deeper in that front thigh. Breathe. Exhale it down. Step your back foot forward to meet your left. Forward fold. Chair pose. From here, lower all the way down till you come into a little boat pose. One more breath. Knees can be bent if you're still feeling it in your hammies this morning. And then release all the way down to your back. Hug your knees in towards your chest. Breathing your spine long on the mat. Arms open, take a little side twist. Hug through center. Exhale, release to the other side. And bring it back to center. Extend your legs long on your mat. Palms face up. Coming into a final resting pose, or maybe a greet the day pose. Thinking of one thing you're thankful for this morning to start off your day right. Allowing your breath to reset. You're welcome to stay here for as long as you like. And if you need to rush off, try to rush off with a little more mindfulness. Thank you for showing up for yourself today, and thanks for showing up to practice with me. I'll see you next time.